Welcome to Zoom in Data. In this session, we will discuss Databricks SQL Analytics, which is a powerful tool for performing SQL queries on your data in Databricks and creating interactive dashboards. SQL Analytics allows analysts, data engineers, and business users to explore data, generate insights, and visualize results efficiently. Understanding Databricks SQL is critical for interviews, as it demonstrates your ability to perform analytics, build dashboards, and monitor data trends in real time. Key points covered in this subtopic include writing SQL queries, managing tables and views, creating dashboards, visualizations, alerts, and integration with Databricks Lakehouse. Subscribe to Zoom in Data to continue structured learning of Databricks concepts. What is Databricks SQL Analytics? Databricks SQL Analytics is a workspace in Databricks designed for running SQL queries on structured and semi-structured data. It allows users to explore data in Delta Lake or other supported sources without needing extensive programming skills. Users can create visualizations and dashboards directly from query results. SQL Analytics enables real-time insights, helping teams monitor KPIs and business metrics effectively. Why is SQL Analytics important for Databricks users? It simplifies data exploration and analytics for business users who are familiar with SQL. Teams can quickly create reports and dashboards for decision-making without complex pipelines. SQL Analytics integrates with Delta Lake, ensuring high performance and consistency. It reduces dependency on engineering teams for generating insights from large datasets. How do you write SQL queries in Databricks SQL? Databricks SQL uses standard SQL syntax with support for Delta Lake tables and views. Users can perform aggregations, joins, filtering, window functions, and other SQL operations. Queries can be saved, scheduled, and shared across teams for reproducibility. Writing queries efficiently allows quick generation of insights from large datasets. What are the main components of Databricks SQL Analytics? Query Editor, a workspace to write, run, and save SQL queries. Dashboards, visual representations of query results with charts and tables. Alerts, notifications triggered by specific conditions in your query results. Data sources, Delta tables, views, and external sources that can be queried directly. How do dashboards work in Databricks SQL Analytics? Dashboards are collections of visualizations generated from SQL queries. Users can customize charts, tables, and layouts to monitor key metrics. Dashboards can be shared with stakeholders for collaborative decision-making. Interactive dashboards allow filtering, drilling down, and exploring data dynamically. How does Databricks SQL Analytics handle real-time data? Queries can run on Delta Lake tables with streaming data ingestion, providing near real-time insights. Visualizations automatically reflect updates as new data arrives. Real-time analytics enable monitoring of business operations and detecting anomalies promptly. Integration with Delta Live tables ensures that dashboards stay up to date with fresh data. What types of visualizations are supported? SQL Analytics supports bar charts, line charts, scatter plots, pie charts, and more. Users can combine multiple visualizations in a single dashboard. Conditional formatting and filters enhance the readability of dashboards. These visualizations make insights accessible even for non-technical stakeholders. How are queries scheduled and automated? Databricks SQL allows scheduling queries at specific intervals to update dashboards automatically. Users can configure alerts based on query results to monitor critical events. Automated queries reduce manual effort and ensure consistent reporting. Scheduling ensures stakeholders always have access to up-to-date insights. How does SQL Analytics integrate with Databricks Lakehouse? Queries run directly on Delta Lake tables stored in the Lakehouse, ensuring data consistency. It supports batch and streaming datasets, enabling flexible analytics workflows. Integration allows combining data from multiple sources in a single query. This provides a unified analytics layer over the Lakehouse for real-time decision-making. How does SQL Analytics support collaboration? Queries, dashboards, and visualizations can be shared with teams or stakeholders. Users can comment on dashboards and queries to provide context or insights. Access control ensures that only authorized users can modify queries or dashboards. Collaboration improves decision-making efficiency and reduces duplicated efforts. What is the difference between queries and dashboards? Queries are SQL commands used to retrieve and transform data. Dashboards are visual representations of the results of one or more queries. Queries can be reused across multiple dashboards for consistent reporting. Dashboards provide an interactive way to monitor KPIs without rerunning queries manually. How do alerts work in SQL Analytics? Alerts can be configured based on specific query results or thresholds. Notifications can be sent via email or integrated with other alerting systems. They help teams respond quickly to anomalies or critical changes in data. Alerts improve operational monitoring and proactive decision-making. Can SQL Analytics handle large datasets efficiently? Yes. Databricks SQL leverages Delta Lake's optimization, caching, and indexing for high performance. Queries are executed in a distributed manner on Databricks clusters. Performance tuning features like query caching reduce latency for large datasets. Efficient handling ensures that even enterprise-scale datasets can be analyzed in real time. How does SQL Analytics improve decision-making? Dashboards and visualizations provide quick, actionable insights. Real-time monitoring allows detecting trends and anomalies promptly. Collaboration features enable sharing insights across teams. The combination of query efficiency and visualization ensures informed business decisions. How can beginners use SQL Analytics effectively? Start with simple queries on small delta tables to learn syntax and visualization. Explore built-in visualizations and experiment with filters and chart types. Gradually integrate multiple queries into dashboards for comprehensive insights. Practicing with SQL Analytics builds confidence and prepares users for interviews and real-world usage. How are query results versioned or stored? Results of queries can be saved as tables or views in Delta Lake for reproducibility. Saved queries and dashboards are versioned within Databricks for auditability. Teams can track historical performance metrics or trends efficiently. Versioning ensures consistent insights and avoids discrepancies between teams. How does SQL Analytics handle joins across multiple tables? Databricks SQL supports inner, outer, left, right, and cross joins. Queries can combine structured and semi-structured data stored in Delta Lake. Optimized join operations ensure performance even with large datasets. Joining tables allows generating richer insights by combining multiple data sources. Can SQL Analytics be integrated with BI tools? Dashboards can be embedded or connected to BI tools like Tableau or Power BI. Users can export query results or visualize live data in external platforms. Integration ensures wider accessibility of insights across the organization. This enables combining Databricks analytics with other enterprise reporting systems. How are permissions managed in SQL Analytics? Access control allows specifying who can view, edit, or share queries and dashboards. Unity Catalog integration ensures centralized governance over data access. Role-based permissions protect sensitive data while enabling collaboration. Secure permission management ensures compliance with enterprise policies. How does SQL Analytics handle incremental updates? Queries can be written to process only new or changed data in Delta Lake tables. Dashboards automatically reflect these incremental updates without rerunning full queries. Incremental processing reduces computational load and improves performance. This ensures up-to-date insights while maintaining efficiency at scale. How are visualizations customized in SQL Analytics? Users can select chart types, colors, labels, and aggregations for clarity. Filters and parameters allow dynamic interaction with dashboards. Combined visualizations provide multiple perspectives on the same dataset. Customization improves readability and communication of insights to stakeholders. How do analysts collaborate on dashboards? Multiple users can view and interact with shared dashboards. Comments and notes provide context for queries and visualizations. Shared dashboards ensure teams work from the same data and metrics. Collaboration improves consistency in reporting and decision-making. Can dashboards be embedded externally? Yes. Dashboards can be embedded in websites or internal portals. This allows wider distribution of insights without granting full workspace access. Users can control filters and interactivity in embedded dashboards. Embedded dashboards make real-time analytics accessible across departments. How does SQL Analytics support ad hoc analysis? Users can run queries interactively to explore datasets quickly. Temporary views or tables can be created for experimentation. Ad hoc analysis helps answer immediate business questions. SQL Analytics enables combining exploratory and production-ready analytics efficiently. Why should Databricks professionals master SQL Analytics? SQL Analytics enables building interactive dashboards and actionable insights efficiently. Professionals can integrate real-time and historical data for decision-making. Mastery demonstrates ability to collaborate, optimize queries, and monitor KPIs effectively. Expertise in SQL Analytics is highly valued for both interviews and enterprise analytics projects. If you found this video helpful, like, share, subscribe. More Databricks interview and tutorial videos are coming soon. Stay connected and keep learning with Zoom in Data.